Hey guys, it's your girl here, Melissa, and today we're going to be filming a video that I've been wanting to do in a long while. I'm just getting ready for my lecture that's in an hour or so. It's just 4 to 6. So I'm going to be honest right now that I have been doing my makeup in the car for like months. Like every day, like I would get ready in the car. We're going to start off with moisturizing my face. And I use the Eucerin Dry Skin Urea Repair Replenishing Face Cream. And I think it's, oh my god, this is so old-fashioned, but what is happening? Okay, so I use that. That's not very good. I'm not a makeup guru, clearly. I only started using this product when I moved to the UK, but what I really use, this looks really bad. What I really use is Aqua Intensive Gel Cream. I think it's scratched off, but I think it's Doin's. It's a Korean brand. So yeah, it's really good. It works with my skin. My skin is sensitive, so whenever I like introduce a product to my skin, it just breaks out for a couple of weeks. Does that happen to any of you guys? Because it happens all the time to me. Like my skin always freaks out first, and then later it like calms down and it's like, okay, this product really works, Melissa. You don't need to go out and buy a new thing. Okay, so now I just rub it in. Clinique Even Better Makeup SPF 15 evens and corrects, and honestly I would agree with that. So I shake it, and let's count that as 2 drops. So this, I might not use all of this, honestly. I probably will, knowing me. And I just take this little mirror, my holographic mirror, like I'm obsessed. And I just dot it at the areas that need to be. I like to just focus on getting the base done first. So what we're gonna do is bronze up the face. Highlight of my life is just after 5 years of watching Bethany Moda and Zoella would always drink pumpkin spice latte, and I would just always wanted to know what it tasted like. Like, you just hear them go like, oh, I'm just getting ready and I've got my pumpkin spice latte. Like every single fall video just needs to have something pumpkin spice, and I just wanted to try it so bad, but like never had the chance because Thailand doesn't have fall. It's really sweet. Also, this is the face I do. Okay, so I haven't really perfected my methods of contouring / bronzing up my face because again, I'm not a beauty guru, but I just kind of rub it on my nose so that it brings warmth. Boots is Sephora. Like, they just have all the makeup there, like Fenty and stuff. Someone's going to their lecture. I've been missing you, baby. On because I'm using the NYX Bright Idea Illuminating Stick in Topaz Tan, and it looks pretty beat up, so I don't even want to show you guys, but it's a very pretty bronzy color. It's got warm reddish tones. What I do is I smile and just kind of follow it to make sure that I'm going the right angles. You must be living in a bubble. Oh, go with the wind, fly away. No, hey, how you been lately? I take a bit of the product with my ring finger. Everything I use is my ring finger, honestly. And I just tap it on my eyelid because I like to put some color there. And I just rub it in. Really warms up. So in secondary to seniors, I think I always used either a cool tone or warm tone brown eyeshadow, or like more frequently I would use orange, and I just absolutely loved it because I felt like such a diva and I felt so cool wearing it, confident, which is like the key. Like you need that. You need confidence. Okay, so now that that's done, we move on to the blush. So I've been using the Stila Convertible Color blush in Peony. It's Stila, and it's a beautiful peach color. I love it. It's just so perfect. So I just tap it, and I would say for people who want to get into cream blush, this is a really good like beginner's product because it's just so easy to use. YouTubers I've been loving a lot lately, I would say Joe Senegato, Cody Ko, Noel Miller. Like, those guys are hilarious and I literally strive to be as funny as them. Oh my god, Joe and Danny are the funniest duo that will ever live. Actually, no, I can't say that because Cody Ko and Noel, but what I like to do is, this is the Kathy Doll Flash Me Baked Lighting Powder. It's really affordable and super good. Really good. I literally just use this much for my nose. Like, that much for my nose. That's it. Like, oh yeah, like highlighting is such a necessity in my makeup routine because like my nose is kind of flat, so I just feel like highlighting gives that extra oomph of like, look, like I've got a nose, guys. I use 2 highlighting powders. So as you can tell, this one's gold, and this one's pink. And what I like to do, we're still on the base of my makeup look, guys. So what I like to do is brush the gold over my Cupid's bow and drag it out so it looks natural and blended. But what I usually use is the Urban Decay Naked 3 brush. It doesn't have a number, so I'm so sorry, but I think you can generally find brushes like this in Morphe and other brands. So what it does is you just kind of swipe up the product like that, picks it up like a lot of product, and you just kind of tap it on, or you can just rub it off like that. And it's just a cute little subtle pink hue. I love it. Oh, it's breathtaking. The base is done. I'm gonna try something that I've never done, is drawing my brows. I just generally don't like to draw my brows because my brow hairs are super duper weak. Like, if I brush them just a bit, they just disappear. The Kathy Doll Skinny Brow Pencil in number 1 Soft Gray. So, we're gonna use that. I have brushed my brows, second time. And we're just filling in this patch here because I don't know what's happening there. Curling these babies. What I do is like I squint so that I can pick up all the eyelashes and curl them together. And I change the angle to make sure I get all the lashes, and voila, I'm a girl. Do you guys see that? Do you guys see that? Damn straight. Okay. So, next. What I've been using is a Cover Mark eyebrow pencil to draw wings on my eyes. So, I would say I would use liquid eyeliner when I go out at night. But during the day, I want something like light and subtle, natural, because I like the shade of brown that this eyebrow pencil is. And I've already prepared for when this runs out, because look how tiny this is. So when this runs out, I have actually bought a eye pencil in the very similar shade called Play 101 pencil from Etude House. But before we get into this, do you see this lash? Look at those lashes. So what I like to do is I kind of like to elongate the eye shape. And I always have to look straight and check if it doesn't look weird, because I've got hooded eyes, as you can tell.
I'm sober. I take back what I said. I'm sitting with this love hangover. Boy, it's hurting my head.
The really hard thing for me is hooded eyes and uneven eyes. So I have to like work kind of hard to make my wings even. So it's like natural. Do you see what I'm saying? And on this side, it's kind of harder to do a wing in my opinion. I don't know. If not highlight, I would drag orange eyeshadow just up there, and it would have a little shimmer to it, and I just love that. For lipstick, I use the Clinique in the shade 01 Blushing Pop. This is the Clinique Pop Matte Lip Color and Primer, Rouge Matte, and Base. It's really, really good. Really natural color, but it's got like a hint of pink and brown to it. So it'd be a good idea to use this. It's like an orange brown. It's from NYX Lingerie. It's called Seduction. And instead of just using this pink, I can just layer on this orange brown, like, because it's fall. I just think it's really appropriate. And then just tap it in together. This is the Clinique Pop Splash Lip Gloss, and it's really hydrating, and it's in the color 15 Fireberry. It's super duper cute, and obviously I've got the Fenty Gloss Bomb in the shade Fenty Glow. It's obviously got this lovely, I don't even know, peachy gold, and this has got like a more purple tone that I've really been looking for a long time, because I really like tinted lip glosses, and I've just been searching for one. But I just like to tap it down around the outside, because I don't really like harsh lines around the lip, because I feel like it just then brings too much attention to the lips, and I don't really want that. So this is the finished look. So really hope you enjoyed watching this video, and if you didn't, feel free to dislike the video. It's all G. Yeah? hope to see you guys soon. And if you have any video suggestions, please just comment down below. Thank you so much. Bye.